In Lesson 4, we explored the circle of fifths and the relationship that keys with sharps in the key signature or in the scale have to one another. This video will talk about the circle of fifths with keys that have flats. So, let's start back with C major. C major is always going to be our home base because it has no sharps and no flats. What we want to do is, with our sharp keys, we counted forward 5-letter names. We're going to count backward from C. C, B, A, G, F. F is the key that is 5-letter names below C. And F major is the key that will have one flat in its key signature. Now, I don't ask my students to memorize. That's part of the reason why I try to explain systems that will give us the solutions to understanding these relationships. But it is really easy for us to memorize that the key that has one flat, F major, and that one flat is B flat. So if we memorize that F major has one flat, B flat, that's actually going to give us a lot more information than just that basic idea. So F major is the key with one flat, that flat is B flat, and an F major scale would be F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. So why does it give us information? Well, the key that has 2 flats is going to be 5-letter names below F. F, E, D, C, B flat. So the flat in the previous key tells us the name of the next key. B flat has 2 flats. The first flat is obviously B flat, our carryover. The second flat is going to be the key that is 5 letters below B. So if we count backward, B flat, A, G, F, E, and call it flat. So the key of B flat has 2 flats, B flat, the carryover, and E flat, the next key 5 letters away. So a B flat major scale is B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Let's continue. We're going to go to the key that has 3 flats. We already know it's E flat because we counted 5-letter names down from B flat. E flat has 3 flats, 2 carryovers, B flat and E flat. And the third flat will be the note that is 5-letter names below E flat, D, C, B flat, A as a flat. So the key of E flat has 3 flats, B flat, E flat, and the new one, A flat. An E flat major scale, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Let's continue. The key with 4 flats, A flat major. We already know that because we counted down from E flat. So A flat has 4 flats. The carryovers, B flat, E flat, and A flat. The new flat is going to be the note that is 5 letters below A flat. A flat, G, F, E flat, D as a flat, D flat. So the key signature for A flat major is B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. The scale would be A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, A flat. Now let's go to the key with 5 flats. We already know it's going to be D flat major because that was our new flat in the key of A flat. So we go down to D flat. We have 4 carryovers, B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. The new flat will be the note that is 5 letter names below D flat. D flat, C, B flat, A flat, G as a flat, G flat. The key signature of D flat major has B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat, 5 flats. And the scale would be D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. Let's go ahead and figure out the key with 6 flats. We already know that that's going to be G flat major. That was our new flat that we just learned. So we know that the carryovers are B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and G flat. The 6th flat is going to be the note 5 letters down from G flat. G flat, F, E flat, D flat, C, spelled as a flat, C flat. And as we did with the sharps, C flat is enharmonic to B natural, but we call it C flat because then we have one note of each letter in the scale. So the key signature for G flat major is going to be B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat. And the scale would be G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat, F, G flat. The last key signature that we need to talk about is the one with 7 flats. So of course we have all of our carryovers, B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, and C flat. So the key of C flat major has one additional flat, and that is the note that would be 5 letter names below C. That note, of course, is F. So in the key of C flat major, all of our notes are flat. So we have B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. And the scale is C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. What we want to consider when we think of flat keys is the relationship that they have to one another, and really the essential one for us to know is that F major has only one flat, and that note is B flat. If we know that, and we know that we're counting 5 letter names for each subsequent key, we can then add on the flat because it's always 5 letters away from the current key. So if someone were to ask the question, what key has 3 flats and who are they? We'd say C major, no flats. F major, 1 flat, B flat. B flat major, 2 flats. The carryover of B flat and the key that is 5 letter names away, which is E flat. And then the key with 3 flats is E flat, B flat, E flat, and the key that would be 5 letter names below, which is A flat. Practice thinking this way. Quiz yourself on the different keys and key signatures, and we'll move forward with the relative minor scales next.